Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send an email to a property that you're interested in on Vrbo. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in vrbo.com and press enter. You can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top section and then using your email address and your password. Once you're logged in, you can browse through various properties that you can rent using Vrbo. Now just go all out and look for any property that you might be interested in. Now once you find something that you like, you can find the contact host button underneath the book now button. So just click on it and now you can send a direct email to the host. Just select your check-in and your checkout dates and then choose your number of travelers, including adult, children, and pets. Now, since your account information is already set up, you simply need to provide your contact information and then type in your email message that you want to send. And once you do this, you can scroll down and click on Send Message and your email will directly be sent to the host of this property. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to email hosts and property owners on Vrbo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.